Ready? Say something.
Hi! We just got Subway. And we're gonna eat it, so she doesn't know. And we're in TT.
I take no responsibility for this.
and we're in TT Bonnie's car.
Hey, YouTube lovers.
Yeah.
That was spanked at Celica.
You guys met
Subaru.
Richard. Say hi, Richard.
The Subaru.
Say hi.
Hey, the Subaru right next
I
to
better
it.
not see this when I become rich and famous.
Trust me, he's gonna see it.
Look, over there. You see the?
I'm gonna
I
sell
can
it.
record a video too, you know.
Well, we're working on.
Look at that fan. Look at that fan.
Oh, look at that, baby.
Richard.
What?
You see that Subaru? I bet you
Check that out.
The Celica.
That's what you would see on.
Peace, my homies. I'm catching you. I don't know.
I hate people these days. Are you still recording?
That's what you. Oh dang! I don't think I got it. Hold up, let me try that again. Let me see if it played. No, it didn't. Damn it. Damn it.
He's allowed to curse.
I'm guessing this is a burping video now. I can't burp. I can't. So, let's watch the others burp. Joy.
Yeah, who's the king in this car?
Let's see if you got it. Did you get it?
Of course.
Boo. Give me some soda.
And I think we're say done in burp language.
Done. Oh I think I did it wrong. Oh, I got it.